Go over the inventory for Stackn trees. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is go up to Autumn, Stock Central. I have my invoice next to me so I can see what was purchased. And I'm going to type in stack 5,000 milligram. And that should bring up just the Stackn trees, as you can see. And I got peach, watermelon, and gummy kids. So we have watermelon, 5, gummy sour kids, 5, and peach. Remember that sometimes you're going to be adding stock, that they may not be 0. So in this case, I was adding 5 to the existing stock. Okay. Now I'm going to go to the 2400 milligram, just by 24. Same thing, only brings up the 2400 milligrams, so that's what we're dealing with. Actually, I'm going to go back real quick. Well, yeah. Okay, so we'll keep moving forward here. Watermelon rings, gummy worms. Okay, so we have 6. And worms, 6. Blueberry rings, yes, 6. And cherry twins, 5. Okay. Hit save. Pretty sure I did that. I'm just going to go back real quick and check on the other. You do, yeah, looks like I did. What was this? Gummy worms. Yeah. So you want to make sure that you click save after every edit. You never want to go backwards because that will erase the work you've done. Okay, so we're going to 1200 milligram now, and we're looking at gummy bears and worms only. Okay, so this is bears and this is worms. Okay, so we're doing 5 here and 5 here. Save. Then we're going to go to the 420s. Oh, that's 4200. Okay, 420 milligrams. And looks like nearly all of them. Okay, so green apple rings. We have 5. Bears. The other thing just to note is that when I order in this sequence. So strawberry straws, green apple rings, gummy bears, and so on. I do this so that it reflects the same on their invoice. They'll take my list and duplicate it exactly. And so it makes it a little bit easier when I'm reading it that it's the same sequence of products, right? So here I have watermelon rings. The next one on my list is gummy worms. Here, gummy worms, right? So it just speeds it up a little bit faster. Doesn't make it foolproof, right? Because sometimes you're jumping over things, but it does help to keep the system the same. And we have green apple straws. Here's an example of jumping over, right? My last entry is peach rings on my invoice. There it is there. Okay. And the very last one is 100 milligrams, which is here. And we only have a few. So rainbow belts, gummy bears, right, which is here. See, again, it did that. And then cherry twins, gummy worms. All right, so where are the cherry twins? Ah, see, it wasn't the same order. I probably mixed it up. Cherry twins, 5, and my last one, or peach rings and gummy kids. Peach rings, 6, and kids. Why did I get gummy kids if we already had 5? Okay, so that's something that will be on sale in the future, right? So once in a while, I will make a mistake and I'll order something that I don't need. And this is that. So what I'll do is go and confirm right now that I actually had those 5 in stock, and make sure that okay, so this is 5,000 milligrams. Okay, so see, there we go. Uh, good catch on the error. So what I'm seeing is that I don't have gummy kids. Okay, um, so I'll have to enter it. I must have picked that one up extra, or they added it on. So yeah. So always question when there's 5, if you have 5 more. And then what I did quickly was I looked over at this price and I saw that it was $60, not 10. And I was like, wait, that's not right. That's a different product. And then I scrolled over it and it was 5,000 milligrams, right? So I have one to add, which is Gummy Kids. And that's it. So that's the example of Stackn trees inventory.